Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are staying home and are safe. So here as you can see, weather is really nice and bright and my kids were insisting to have some sweets. So I quickly thought of making something different today. After thinking for a while, I thought of making some donuts for them. So before any further delay, let's get started. And the donuts that I'm gonna share with you are without yeast. And for them here I have taken a bowl into which I have added 1/4 cup of curd, along with 1/4 cup of oil, or you can use the melted butter as well. The oil should be flavorless like canola, sunflower oil. And here goes whole egg, an egg, along with half cup of sugar. I had granulated sugar. You can add the powdered one or the normal one, the ordinary one. Now just quickly give it a good mix. And here goes just half teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now we will be adding our dry ingredients one by one. So here goes 1 plus half cup of, that is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This is just to enhance its flavor, along with some nutmeg powder. Nutmeg really gives a very nice flavor to our donut. If you don't have, just skip it, or you can add the cardamom powder. And here goes nutmeg powder. Now give it a good mix. Soon it will take the form of dough-like consistency. That is what we require. So just fold in and make a proper dough. Just a soft dough, just like an ordinary dough we used to make chapati. So this is how it looks. Now cover it and let it sit and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can store this overnight if you don't want to prepare a day before, if you want to prepare it a day later. So let's move on to our icing part, the glazing. So for the glazing here, I'm going to prepare the chocolate glazing, for which here I have taken 1/4 cup of powdered sugar along with 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Here I have used Hershey's cocoa powder, along with 1 teaspoon of milk. Now just mix it well and our chocolate glazing is ready. Using icing sugar is the best option if you have, but I didn't have, so I used the normal powdered sugar. I just made powder out of granulated sugar. So here as you can see, our chocolate glazing is ready. If you find it little thick, you can add just 3-4 more drops of milk into it, but it should be on thicker side. How beautiful it came out. Now let's move on to our white white glazing. So for the white glazing here I have taken half cup of powdered sugar, or the icing sugar if you have, along with 1 teaspoon of milk. Give it a good mix and voila, your glazing is ready. And yes, if you want to color, you can add few drops of whatever color you have, just to give it a nice color. So now just keep these icings or glazings aside and let's move on to our dough. So dough has been resting for 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, if you find your dough little thin or loose, just add some more of all-purpose flour, that is the maida. And now with the help of a donut cutter, just cut it. And yes, if you don't have the donut cutter, you can use any round cutter or the cup, and with the help of a cap or any bottle cap, just cut the inner circle. And yes, your donuts are ready to fry. On the other hand, I have preheated my oil, and here goes our donuts into this hot oil, one by one. Once heated, keep the oil on a medium flame, and once they are done on one side, just flip them in between and wait till they turn into a very beautiful color. Now flip them in between so that they are uniformly cooked on both the sides. So here, as you can see, they are almost done. Now take them out on a kitchen towel and let me prepare the rest. So here, as you can see, I have made 14 donuts out of the dough. And now let's move on to our best part and my favorite part, which is the decoration. Just dip the donuts as shown into the glazing and sprinkle whatever sprinklers you have available at your home, or choco chips or colored sprinklers, whatever you have, and yes, you are good to go. I hope you would enjoy my recipe, and do let me know in the comment section below how it came out. So stay home, stay safe, and until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Enjoy.